Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open N26 bank account in Germany. So for that you need to open up your browser, or you can also search for N26 app on your App Store or Play Store on your mobile device. So let's see it how it works on browser. So just search for N26, and after that just open up very first link that you will see on the Google search results, and this is where it will lead you to. And all you have to do is just click on this option of open free bank account. Just click on it, and after that all you have to do is just follow this procedure, and you will be having your bank account created right after the completion of this procedure. And also make sure that if you are not in the supported country of N26, then you can only open up the N26 account after being permitted in Germany and after visa extensions and getting your residential identity. So just keep this thing in mind while applying for N26 account, and this is how easy it is to get N26 account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful